Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to hide all your Facebook photos at once. It's fast, simple, and gives you full control of your privacy. Here's what to do. Open the Facebook app and tap the three lines in the top left corner. Scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, then go to Settings. Under Privacy, then scroll down page, choose Profile and Tagging. Here, now look for Who Can See Posts You're Tagged in on your profile. Tap it and change it to Only Me. And just like that, every photo you've posted or been tagged in is now private. The best part? You can customize it. Maybe allow only close friends to see them or block specific people. It's quick, easy, and puts you back in control. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.